Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on changing the closure system of your Thermomix TM5. Let's get started with the necessary tools you will need for this process. You will require a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have these tools ready before we proceed. First, unplug your Thermomix TM5 to ensure safety during the process. Once it's unplugged, we can begin disassembling the closure system. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws located on the lid of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Now, gently lift the lid and set it aside. You will notice the internal mechanism of the closure system. It's important to inspect this area for any debris or food particles that may hinder the function of the closure. Use the soft cloth to clean any visible dirt or residue. Regular maintenance will help extend the life of your appliance. Next, we will focus on the closure mechanism itself. Check for any wear or damage on the components. If you find that parts need replacement, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can help you determine whether a repair is necessary. Now, if you're not comfortable making these replacements yourself, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix, we'll handle that for you. As you examine the closure system, identify any screws that may need tightening or parts that require lubrication. If you need specific tools or replacement parts, feel free to reach out for assistance. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once you have completed your inspection and any necessary cleaning, it's time to reassemble the lid. Carefully place it back onto the Thermomix, ensuring that the closure mechanism aligns correctly. Secure it with the 4 screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened adequately but avoid over-tightening, which could cause damage. After the lid is securely back in place, plug in your Thermomix TM5 and perform a quick test to ensure the closure system is functioning properly. Check that the lid locks securely and that there are no unusual sounds or resistance when opening and closing. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You have successfully changed the closure system of your Thermomix TM5. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your appliance in top condition. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help, and as mentioned, our services include no calls and no travel, making it easier for you to get support. Thank you for watching, and enjoy cooking with your Thermomix. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.